Hey guys, Glen Murray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. It doesn't cost you a dime, but it really helps me out. Now, what I'm going to talk about today is how to build my $1,000 a day funnel. I'm actually going to give you all the tools, so just watch, and I'm going to give you basically everything. You just have to watch how to set it up. It's going to cost you less than 30 bucks. Just a few things you need. You're going to need a domain. If you already have one, great. You don't need to buy that. And you need to verify yourself for one of the affiliate platforms, which I think is $5. But everything else, guys, it's totally free. You can do it totally free. All right. So the first thing you see on your screen, this is the actual funnel. This is in a software called Systeme, and I'll show you how you get all this set up. So first thing I want to do is we're going to go to the page here where it's called the Freedom Blueprint Hack. So we're just going to view this page. So there's a video you can watch there of me, but so this is my main program, the top one here. This is, if you don't want to deal with any techie stuff, I recommend grabbing this. Yes, it's $2,500, but they build, everything is built for you. You need an autoresponder, that's it. And then they train you every week. They give you training on how to use it. This is an amazing high ticket program, and it's always getting better. They're always improving it. So I recommend getting that if you don't want to get techie. But here's the Freedom Blueprint Hack. So the first thing you want to do is, I recommend getting it. It's a $13 product. That's being said, I said you only had to buy a domain. I recommend getting it. You don't have to get it, but I recommend getting it because if people ask you when you sell it to them what it is, then you can explain to them exactly what it is. So click the link here on this page. Go get it. It's $13. Now inside there, they're going to tell you to set up a ClickFunnels account, which will cost you anywhere from $97 to $300 a month, and to set up an Aweber account, which will cost you, I think it starts at $15 or $19 a month, but it adds up quickly when you start getting subscribers on there. So with Systeme, it's free up to 2,000. I think it's up to 2,000 people. So you can get a lot of people into the system before it starts costing you any sort of money. All right. And with that many people, once you have a few hundred people into your funnel, you're going to be making sales every day. So the first step, go to step 2 here. Well, if you go pick this up, once you have that, great. Now you're going to go. We'll get the affiliate links later. So the first thing is you want to click here. This is going to open up, and you just sign up for free. That's it. So it's super easy. Just sign up for free, and you got that. So next thing you do, once you've signed up and you've got it open, you want to click this. If I click it, it won't import it because I'm already on my system, right? So if I try to click it, it says you can't do it because you're the owner of this funnel. So that's what happens there. So we don't want to do that. Well, you want to do it. I don't need to do that. So that'll import your funnel. Now we're in the funnel. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the free cheat page, and you're just going to click on edit page. Now there's a few things you want to change on here. First off, you want to change your picture, put your picture there. Just change out your picture. That's it. Now on the button here, we have to point it to your affiliate link. So you want to come over here and you click on the yellow button. Now you want to make sure it says submit form. You want to say to a custom URL, and then see this is the link you want it to go to. So you want to go on your approved products here in JVZoo, go get a JVZoo account, and then it's called Freedom Blueprint. And all you want to do is get link. So right there is you get your link and you copy that, and you put it, make sure you put it in right there so that they track the sale back to you. Because if you leave mine in there, they're going to give it to me. All right. So then you want to save the changes and then exit out of here. We're not going to put the automation, but we're going to add the automation in a second. So that's it. We've changed our picture and we put in our affiliate link. Now what we need to do is go back to our cheat sheet, and then we're going to import my Freedom Blueprint email series. So you want to click there, and that's going to bring you into the campaigns, and it's called HAS, which is High Achiever Society. And then this is the campaign you're going to import. And what you want to do is you want to go through here and you want to change all your affiliate links. Now there's a couple ones you can change it to. You can change it to, close this. You can change it to this 7-figure accelerator, or free. There's a few ones in here you can change it to. If you go through the Freedom Blueprint, you can change which link you want to send it to. And then you can pick one of these and you just get your link and you put it there. So what's happening, so when you're in the email setup, each time you see one of these links, you want to go in there and you want to change it. I'm pointing it to my Copecart product, right? Which you can do. See, I'm pointing it to, it's the same product. They put the product on 2 platforms. They've got it on JVZoo and they've also got it on Copecart. So all of these, you want to change it to your name, and you want to change all the links to your links, and you want to go through all the emails. So exit this, and all these emails, you want to change them to your links. It'll take you a little while, but they're all set up to go. You just need to change to your affiliate links. So now you've got your system account, you've imported your funnel, you've imported your email series. Now you want to go over, you're going to need a domain. So here's the thing, you can't start sending emails from an autoresponder using a Gmail or a Yahoo or Outlook or anything like that. You have to use a designated domain, like your own domain, so you're sending it. So you want to go over to, I use this site Namecheap, and you want to grab this seller package. It's $33 a year, guys. $33 a year. All right. So it renews at $70. So still that's dirt cheap. Or you can do it monthly, but I would just grab a yearly plan. Or you do it monthly. So monthly, what's that work out to be? $2, $3, $36, $3 a month kind of thing. So it's very, very inexpensive. But that's the best one. You can go for a plus. If you're going to build lots of these, then get another one. But this is all you need. And then in here, there's a whole article already set up that it shows you exactly how to connect your domain to Systeme and change all the affiliate links in the email campaign, and you're done. So what you're going to need is the Freedom Blueprint and then the High Achiever Society link in JVZoo, or you can use the one in Copecart. You can use either one to set it up. And that's it. Now, once you've gone through and set everything up, there's one little trick you need to do to get your emails rolling. So under CRM here, you're going to see tags. You're going to go in and create a tag and just give it a name. And once you create that tag, you're going to go over to your sales funnels. You're going to go in here. You're going to go onto the free cheat sheet here, right? Edit the page. And now we're going to add some automation. So we want to click on this button. Now, right here, there's a blue button, add automation rule. So the thing we want to do is we want to add a tag. So see, you made whatever tag you made, you just want to do that. And then you want to subscribe it to a campaign. You're probably only going to have one campaign in here. So it'll be the HAS free trial campaign. Now, this is optional. I just get it to send me an email that tells me I have a new subscriber. So that way you just get told every time you get a new subscriber. And then you save the rule and you're set. And your funnel is done. So now this is the link that you're going to, and you can change this to any name you want, guys. And then that is, you just click here, and that's the link you want to go share. So when you give it to someone, boom. Now down below, I'm gonna link to my video on how to make viral videos so you can make free traffic that points you to this funnel, just like I do. Or I'll put the cheetah method down, which is how to use solo ads. And solo ads, if you don't want to make content, solo ads, you just buy someone that has a really large email list and you get them to send your landing page to their email list. And then you get a percentage of opt-ins, you get people onto your list, and then you get buyers out of that. And that's using solo ads. So those are the two main methods of doing it. I don't recommend buying Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Bing ads. That's just not my thing. So I either use free traffic, which is from Instagram, and I also use paid traffic. I also buy solo ads because that's how I've been doing it for years. So I'm always getting people coming in. So if my Instagram goes slow for a day or two and I'm not getting leads, I'm getting leads from my solo ads. So I'm using both. So I'm constantly adding people into my sales funnel. They're going through the email series and they're buying the product. And as they work through my funnel, they get put into that Freedom Blueprint funnel, which ends up paying out $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 commissions. So that's exactly how you do it. If you have any questions at all, drop me a question down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.